Hello guys, so we're at a service station. We stopped off because we're on our way to London. We're going to London for a bonfire and firework display tonight. So, and to see my brother who lives in London. So we've just stopped off at a service station.
In London. In London, vlog. Prepare to turn left soon. Not this week, next week.
And then that's the other one.
We need to bring Jade's duvet in before we go.
Oh, right.
Guys, that was the place we just ate. That was the place we just ate. And now we're walking to the cinema. We have arrived in London and we just went to eat. At Byron, hamburger place. And now walking to cinema to watch a 4D. Going to a 4D cinema to the new Thor. The new Thor film. Put all our stuff down in my brother's flat, and now we're walking to the new Thor film.
Yeah, oh yeah, oh, it's glowing now. Beautiful. Yeah.
Hi guys, so it's now the next day and I'm still in London. So basically I know a lot of yesterday's clips in London were very choppy at different sections, but it's because London's very busy, I had to move around, I did loads of different things. So I'm just going to run through basically everything. So first of all, I'm in London. I'm in London because I'm visiting my brother. Also because we went to a firework and bonfire display. We were going to a bonfire and firework display in London. And we arrived down here in London yesterday around 12 something. We went to my brother's, we got all unpacked and stuff, we chilled. Then we went to have something to eat at something called Brandon's. And then we went to a 4D cinema to watch the new Thor film. It was incredible. Then we went to the firework display and I've inserted some clips of the fireworks. And today we're having some brunch, like some breakfast at this place called Bill's. Then we're going to mix around the shops and then I think we're going home to see our cats. So let's get back down and finish off.